What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. Today we have the Air Jordan 185 High. Alright, before we get into the review, we want to do a quick little shout out for the Black Toe ones. This video will be coming out soon. Love those shoes. And of course, the flu games. You ready for this one as well? It will be coming out soon. Alright, now we're going to get into the review. Alright, y'all, this is the box. It is black, varsity red, and white. It says Air Jordan 1 High 85. This is what your size tag is going to look like. Just a red and black Nike box. This is wrapped up pretty well. Real clean, real clean. So I'll leave this to the side. The first thing I noticed about these shoes is the leather. Like, I feel like the leather is different from the regular ones. Also, this is closest to the original body of the shoe. So they tried to put all the specifics on here, make sure everything is as close to the original shoe as it can possibly get. And I feel like they did a good job. As you can see, it's real straight back here. Usually one's curved, but it's like real straight. And then it's kind of like wide. Like, let me show you from the outsole perspective. It kind of goes out wide a little bit. The leather, like I said, is different. Pretty nice leather. Very firm, but yeah. Got the black and red laces. This is what the inside will look like. I also got these from the Sneaker Politics event. Got an invite, and I was able to get these. It's writing on the inside. Trying to make sure it focuses. These are pretty limited. Let's talk about that retail price though of $250. That's a lot for a pair of ones, and ones have not been doing that good. What y'all think? Y'all think dropping this pair of ones might make a comeback this year? Probably not, but I do like these, but I would rather like the patent bread ones instead of these. I just know the last drop was 2016. And then, of course, they had like the satin bread, the patent bread, and stuff like that. But like I said, these are pretty limited. I think it's just men's sizes. So also toddlers. I don't like the way the toddlers look. Look kind of weird. But like I said, these are pretty hard to come by. So if you have a chance to cop them, I would definitely cop them. I like the shoe, even though it's kind of like different from regular ones. I still like them. These also are real. Every shoe that's on this show will pass green every time. If y'all want us to show, like we could do a check and we'll definitely show y'all that these are real. Y'all on the flu games as well. Cause I be seeing some of y'all in the comments saying they reps and stuff. Ain't nothing repping over here. But this concludes the video. Thank y'all for watching. Like I said, make sure y'all watch that black toe video and the flu game video and just keep supporting me. Let me know what y'all think about the 85 highs. Like I said, I think it's a must cop. That $250 retail is a lot. But if you're a real sneakerhead, I definitely say this is a must cop. The release date is February 14th. It's coming out on Valentine's Day. Like I said, the retail price is $250. They are also coming out in toddlers. So if you get a chance to cop them, I definitely would. And this concludes the video. Peace.
When you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money.